Soul of brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's topic is phenol. What is the major role of phenol? They are used in preparation of polymers like phenol formaldehyde resin, that is a bakelite. They are used in electrical parts. This is point number one. Another point, phenol used is a starting material for the preparation of indicator like phenolphthalein, explosive compound like picric acid, antiseptic like aspirin. Another one is antiseptic, carbolic lotion and carbolic soap. These are the major uses for phenol. Next, what is the definition for phenols? In the benzene nucleus, one or more hydrogen atom can be replaced by the hydroxyl group. This name is called phenol. That is this bond angle is 109 degree, bond length is 136 picometer. Hybridization, this oxygen sp3 hybridization, this carbon of the benzene ring is sp2 hybridization. How to calculate hybridization? Number of sigma bond plus number of lone pair. Here oxygen there are 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pair, totally 4, 1 from s orbital, another 3 from b orbital. So sp3 hybridization of oxygen atom. 4 means tetrahedral, bond angle is 109 degree, 28 minutes. Here comparatively normal this bond angle 109 degree. Why? Because carbon of the benzene nucleus and oxygen, this bond length is very short than compared to the alcohol. This bond length is 136 picometer. Why? Because lone pair involve the partial double bond character due to resonance stabilization. Another one is a nomenclature. This name, simplest name is phenol. Both are aromatic alcohol. But what is the major difference here? OH group directly attached to the benzene nucleus. Here OH group directly attached to the side chain. Both are aromatic compound. What is a common name? Common name phenol or carbolic acid. What is the meaning for carbo? Carbo mean coal. Lic mean oil. Here phenol and cresol can be obtained from the coal tar by the distillation. So phenol, another name called as a carbolic acid. This is a common name. IUPAC name hydroxybenzene. Here OH group directly attached to the benzene nucleus. This is a benzene, hydroxybenzene. This is a IUPAC name. This one common name benzyl alcohol. IUPAC name phenyl methanol. This compound can be derived from the toluene derivatives. What is a toluene? This is a toluene. One hydrogen can be replaced. This name benzyl. One more hydrogen can be replaced. This is benzyl. One more hydrogen can be replaced. This name benzo. This name benzyl. This name benzyl. These are the major differences. These are can be derived from the toluene. Another one is a nomenclature. Nomenclature. Next one, classification. Phenol can be classified into three types. First one is monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol, trihydric phenol. What is the definition for monohydric phenol? Only one OH group is what attached to the benzene nucleus. This name is called monohydric phenol. What is the meaning for dihydric phenol? Two OH group attached to the benzene nucleus. This name is called dihydric phenol. What is the meaning for trihydric phenol? There are three OH group attached to the benzene nucleus. This name is called trihydric phenol. This one is the simplest aromatic compound is a phenol, OH group. These are considered as a epoch group. Epoch group means starting group. Epoch group next carbon atom, this name is called ortho. Alternative carbon atom, this name is called meta. Opposite carbon atom, this name is called para. In the benzene nucleus, there are two ortho position, two meta position, another one is a para position. All are position isomerism. Here all the name common name cresol. This one is a orthocresol. This one is a metacresol. This one is a paracresol. These are the common name, IPAC name: 2-methyl phenol, 3-methyl phenol, 4-methyl phenol. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the compounds. Another one is a substituted phenol. These are the example for substituted phenol. This name ortho aminophenol is a common name. IPAC name 1,2,2-aminophenol. This is a common name salicylaldehyde. One more common name orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Comparatively priority OH group and aldehyde group. Aldehyde group is a first priority, so this one is a epoch group 1, 2. IUPAC name 2-hydroxybenzene carbaldehyde. This name salicylic acid. IUPAC name 2-hydroxybenzene carboxylic acid. This name picric acid. This one is an explosive compound. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. These are the example for substituted phenol. Another one is dihydric phenol. What is the definition for dihydric phenol? If 2OH group attached to the benzene nucleus, this name is called dihydric phenol. Name is catechol. OH group present at adjacent position ortho. Alternative racarsenol. Opposite quinol. So substituted group, this name arsenol. What about IUPAC name? 1, 2 dihydroxybenzene. Here 1, 3 dihydroxybenzene. This one 1, 4 dihydroxybenzene. This one 3, 5 dihydroxytoluene. These are IUPAC name. These are the example for dihydric phenol. Another one is a dihydric phenol. Dihydric phenol. These are the example for dihydric phenol. What is the definition of dihydric phenol? 2 or more hydrogen, that is 3 hydrogen of the benzene nucleus can be replaced by the 3 OH group. This one is adjacent. Name pyrocolol. Pyrocolol is a common name, IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 dihydric benzene is a IUPAC name. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a unsymmetric. What is the name? Hydroxy. Hydroxy means there is a hydroxy. This name is called quinol. Hydroxy group, this is a quinol group. So hydroxyquinol. IUPAC name 1, 2, 4 dihydric benzene. This one is a symmetric. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Common name fluoroglucinol is a common name. IUPAC name 1, 3, 5 dihydric benzene. These are the IUPAC name. These are the example for dihydric phenol. These are the classification of phenol. Classification of phenol can be classified into 3 types: mono, di, another one is a dihydric phenol. Next one is preparation. First method, from haloarine. Second method from benzene. Third method from aniline. Next, decarboxylation. Next, from cumene. These are the methods for preparation for phenol. First method, haloarine. Another name is called as Tauss process. Tauss process is the best method to preparation of phenol. Starting material is haloarine, Ar, halogen, R, halogen. Generally, alkyl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. But here, aryl halide less nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? Because halogen attached with the benzene nucleus, this bond is a short and strong bond, cannot break easily, but break at high temperature and pressure in the presence of NaOH. (623 Kelvin or 633 Kelvin, pressure 300 atm. Some books is written 623, some book written is 633, but this reaction takes place high temperature. Replacement of NaCl, ONa, halogen and hydrogen can be replaced. Removal of HCl. This name chlorobenzene. This name sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide decomposes with the dilute HCl. Removal of NaCl to formation of phenol. Phenol, or another name carbolic acid, is an aromatic alcohol. This is the first method. Next method is what? Benzene. Here, in this reaction takes place by using the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? Because NaOH, how to split NaOH? Na plus and OH minus. OH minus acts as a nucleophile. One group replaced by the another one. This reaction involves nucleophilic substitution reaction. What nucleophilic substitution reaction? Aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. One more question may be asked. In the Tauss process, preparation of phenol undergo what type of substitution reaction? First one is addition reaction, another one is electrophilic addition reaction, another one is a nucleophilic addition reaction, last one is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Correct answer is aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next one from benzene. Benzene react with oleum formula H2S2O7 in the presence of heated. This is a oleum structure. These two are having different electronegativity. This is a negative charge, this one is a positive charge. Negative charge approach the benzene nucleus. Here one hydrogen can be replaced by this group. This name benzene sulfonic acid plus H2SO4. Benzene converted into benzene sulfonic acid by using the oleum. This reaction is a substitution reaction. First point, benzene converted into benzene sulfonic acid. Next, benzene sulfonic acid react with NaOH. C6H5, yes, double bond OH, react with NaOH. This hydrogen is acetic hydrogen, removal of water to formation of C6H5. Yes, double bond ONA plus water. This compound further react with NaOH. Temperature 573 Kelvin. At 573 Kelvin, this benzene carbon and sulfur bond is a weak bond. This undergo break. So react with this OH. So formation of C6H5, ONA, remaining part react with hydrogen, sodium sulfide plus water. This name sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide further diluted with hydrochloric acid, removal of NaCl to formation of phenol. So another method from benzene. Benzene converted into benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid react with NaOH to formation of sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid, further heated at 573 Kelvin, excess of NaOH to formation of sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide decomposes with dilute HCl to formation of phenol. Next from aniline. This name aniline. Amino group directly attached with the benzene nucleus. Common name aniline, IUPAC name aminobenzene. This react with nitrous acid, formula HNO2. How to prepare? This one prepare from sodium nitrite plus hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. In the presence of HCl, this reaction takes place ice cold condition, 0 degrees Celsius. How to react to nitrous acid to the amino group? This is a O double bond N single bond OH. Here nitrogen carrying 2 hydrogen react with oxygen. This OH group react with this hydrogen. What about remaining benzene N double bond NCl? Plus removal of water. This name benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene, this benzene compound. What is the meaning of diazo? 2 nitrogen. IUM, nitrogen which carrying the positive charge. Halogen which carrying the negative charge. Colorless crystalline solid, readily soluble in water. This reaction takes place SN2 mechanism. What is the meaning for SN2 mechanism? Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. There are 2 steps. First step formation of carbocation, next step attack by the nucleophile. This bond break, formation of C6H5 OH plus N2 plus HCl. This one another method for preparation of phenol. Next one is a decarboxylation. What is the meaning for decarboxylation? Removal of carbon dioxide by using the soda lime. This name sodium salt of salicylic acid. Sodium salicylate react with NaOH in the presence of CEO. Act as a catalyst, ratio is 3:1. After the addition of this mixture, this compound can be replaced. Whatever remaining hydrogen attached with the benzene nucleus to formation of phenol. Phenol formed from the sodium salicylate by using the soda lime. This process known as a decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide. Another method is from cumene. This is a very important method, can be prepared by using the industrial process. Starting from benzene. Benzene react with the propylene. Propylene is unsaturated compound react in the presence of orthophosphoric acid H3PO4 or anhydrous AlCl3. This one maintain the temperature 250 degrees Celsius and 25 atm. These are the conditions. How to reacted? Orthophosphoric acid produce H+. H+ react with unsaturated compounds. For example, CH3, CH, double bond CH2. This one produce the H+. This bond is shifted here by using the plus E effect. What is the meaning for plus E effect mean? This pi electron migrate towards the addition of H plus to formation of CH3 CH positive charge CH3 plus or CH3 CH2 CH2 positive charge. This one is a secondary carbocation, this one is a primary carbocation. Comparatively stability order, so secondary more stable than compared to the primary. So secondary compound is a more reactive. So this compound react with the benzene nucleus to formation of this name cumene. This cumene further react with oxygen. In the presence of 5% of aqueous sodium carbonate as a catalyst. This oxygen react with the carbon hydrogen bond. Because of carbon-carbon bond, carbon-hydrogen bond is a weak bond. Now you want to break this bond between the two oxygen atom. Now oxygen bond strong bond. This bond become weaker by addition of acid hydrolysis. This oxygen which carrying in the positive charge, why? Because oxygen there are two lone pair. Among two lone pair, one is a tonate and accept the proton. So this bond is a weak bond. Next, migration. Here there are two groups. Which group undergo migrate easily? Comparatively methyl and phenyl group. Phenyl group is what migrate easily. Why? Because phenyl group only more electron rich species is able to tonate the electrons. Removal of water. First is what? Next acid hydrolysis. This react with this person, OH, oxygen, benzene nucleus, this which carrying the positive charge, oxygen which having the 2 lone pair, among 2 lone pair one is donated, this bond undergo break. This one is a phenol, another one is a CH3, C double bond OH, CH3 become which carrying the positive charge, this further T protonation. T protonation means removal of proton, finally formation of CH3, CO, CH3. Acetone formed as a byproduct. This one is a major product. These are the preparation of phenol. This one is a very important method. One more question may be asked here, which group undergo migrate easily? Phenyl group or methyl group? Phenyl group only migrate easily. Why? Because phenyl group is a more electron species, is able to donate the electron to the oxygen atom. Preparation of phenol from cumene. Cumene can be prepared from the benzene by the addition of propylene in the presence of orthophosphorus acid. What is the color of phenol? Phenol is a colorless crystalline solid, needle-shaped crystal, corrosive nature, hygroscopic nature. This is a poisonous substance. Next one is acidic character of phenol. Acidic nature of phenol can be depends on the polar nature of the OH group due to Plasm effect. What is the meaning for M? M mean mesomeric effect. What is the meaning of mesomeric effect? Lone pair or pi electron to shift out towards the single bond or double bond. Here, oxygen having the 2 lone pair. Among 2 lone pair, one is donate to the benzene nucleus. This symbol known as resonance symbol. To formation of further negative charge shifted towards another carbon atom to form further is shifted towards the another carbon atom. This is known as resonance structure for phenol. Structure 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5. One more question may be asked. What is the acidic nature of phenol? How many resonance structure are possible? How many resonance possible? There are 5 resonance structure. Among 5 resonance structure, which are the less stable, which are the more stable? These 3 are the less stable compounds due to charge separation. Charge means here positive charge, here is a negative charge. Is a negative charge present in the ortho and para position, so phenol undergo aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction at ortho and para position. Another one is aliphatic alcohol. What is aliphatic alcohol? ROH. This undergo hydrolysis. This bond is a weak bond, this is a strong bond to formation of negative charge. This negative charge localized around the oxygen atom. These are localized, no resonance takes place. Another one. This undergoes a hydrolysis. Both negative charge around the oxygen atom involve the is what a localized shifting. Here no resonance takes place, but in the Benzene ring delocalizes the pi electron. So comparatively this aromatic alcohol, aliphatic alcohol, aromatic alcohol is 1000 times better strong acid than compared to the alcohol and cyclohexanol. Another one is stability of phenol. Ionization of phenol. Phenol ionized in water. Because of acidic nature of phenol can be explained by using the OH group. This hydrogen bond is what? Strong bond. This hydrogen can be replaced by the lone pair to formation of phenoxide and O plus. This phenoxide undergoes stabilized by the resonance. Because of phenoxide ion is a more acidic nature, this negative charge is shifted here, this bond is shifted here to formation of further is this negative charge delocalized by the pi electron. This one, resonance stabilization of phenoxide ion. Comparatively phenol and phenoxide ion is more stable because of less charge separation. This one is a phenol, this one is a phenoxide. Phenoxide is more stable because of in the phenoxide compound there is no charge separation, so this compound is more stable. But the phenol undergoes stabilized with resonance, this undergoes charge separation, less stable. More stable compound is a more reactive compounds. Another one is electron withdrawing group. What are the electron withdrawing groups? NO2 minus Cn, CHO, COOH, SO3H, NR3 plus. These are called electron withdrawing group due to minus I and minus M effect. Acid strength increases. Another one is a electron donating group, R, OR, NH2 group, etc. This group present in the benzene nucleus, this is a plus M effect, plus M plus I effect. Acid strength Presence of this group acid strength increases, presence of these are the group acid strength decreases. What is the meaning for minus M and minus I effect? M means mesomeric effect, minus M means withdrawing group, withdraw the electron density from the benzene nucleus. What is the meaning for I? Inductive effect. What is a negative I? Is a property in which electron withdraw the molecules or atom. This known as what? Minus I effect. This group present in the benzene nucleus, acid strength increases. This group present in the benzene nucleus, acid strength decreases. For examples, all the compounds. This one para-nitrophenol, ortho-nitrophenol, meta-nitrophenol, this is a phenol. Comparatively, ortho and para compound exhibit minus M and minus I effect. Comparatively is a para and ortho, which one is a more acidic? A para compound is a more acidic, ortho compound less acidic, because this hydrogen trapped by the NO2 due to intramolecular hydrogen, so less acidic. Comparatively this compound exhibit minus M and minus I, this exhibit only minus M, so less acidic. These are the decreasing order of acidic nature of electron withdrawing group. Another one, compare all the compounds, but here 3 electron withdrawing group, 2 electron withdrawing group, 1 electron withdrawing group. Number of electron withdrawing group increases, acidic character also increases. Here 3 electron withdrawing group more acidic than compared to the 2. Here 1 electron withdrawing group, here 2 electron withdrawing group, this one is more acidic than this one. Here standard one, there is no electron withdrawing group, this one is more. This group is what? Electron releasing group, withdraw the electron density from the benzene nucleus, so this one is a very less acidic. This one is a aliphatic alcohol. Aliphatic alcohol is very least acidic than compared to the aromatic alcohol.